just come back in like 5 minutes.
Oh, the very inside bowl. No way he's gonna hit it. He hit it.
You get it, Maggie?
Yeah. I don't miss any clips.
Alright, good morning, Nub Nation. This morning I am already stressing. This is all the stuff that I was supposed to do to go to South Korea, and I haven't done any of it. So, this is my last day because we're going down to Wrightsville Beach for the foam wreckers, and then we're flying home and flying directly to South Korea. So, this is my last day to do all this stuff, and this is going to be heavy. This is going to be stressful. This is going to be gnarly. So, hope you guys are living the dream. Hope you guys are taking steps to pursue your goals and just checking off your list in life and trying to keep it positive and keep moving forward. Good morning, Nub Nation. Another one for the dream. Let's go.
Definitely know how important it is to know. Make sure you have service when you're traveling out of the country.
Thank you for advising us of your travel status today.
Just so I have it correct, it's going to be October 3rd through the 14th to South Korea.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Here we are. I'm loading up the beach car right now. The wind is proper 7 miles an hour offshore, and we're gonna go rip.
Let's get amped.
Max getting amped. The claim is on because some gnarly stuff's happening right now. We got ourselves Mackie freaking Films.
Mackie freaking Films.
What's your claim right now?
Check it out. My claim is I'm not too sure if I'm gonna surf. I might get a few, but I'm gonna teach Lauren a few lessons.
Who's Lauren?
The intern, dude. Have you guys not met her yet?
I didn't talk about it yet. All right, the other exciting thing is we got ourselves a new intern. So look at Max surfs now, he doesn't even film.
We got the GoPro Hero 10. We're gonna do some POV, 8-foot bend gravy. It's on, brother, it's on.
It's terrifying. I think you can just stick that on top of the 10. Fins first. All right, let's see what's going on in here. All right, here we go. The intern. What are you working with today?
Was it the Lumix? What's the
GH5.
GH5.
First day on the job. Jordan, tell us about it.
First day on the job. She's doing good already.
How'd we get her?
What do you mean?
How'd we even get an intern?
We got a call, or I got an email from a guy that works at ACCC, and we met him on the beach one day, and he said, I have interns that needed internship. And that's what happened.
So we're teaching the youth.
We're teaching the youth how to vlog.
Go Bucks, ACC Bucks.
Yeah, is that what it says?
I didn't even know the mascot.
School pride.
Dude, look at that one. It's firing. Why do you guys act like this? You guys are turning into like salty, washed up locals.
Dude, guys, I literally couldn't even sleep last night. Just could not wait to wake up and get shacked. And I get up and I have to look at this garbage out here. Are you kidding me?
This isn't really my vibe. Like, I don't know. I've been surfing way too much. My knees really hurt. There's no way I could risk the aches and pains to go out and surf this. It's just too small. Why is it so small?
You guys just really need to get your vibes back, dude.
Oh my God!
This is the answer to getting back all your stoke.
Finally, a CBD that actually works.
What's your claim?
My claim is we're gonna get barreled. It's looking like 4 to 6 foot, perfect peaks. I don't know, look at that wave. Like, it's out here today. I'm probably gonna get the best waves of my life.
All right, we made it to the beach. We got the intern behind the camera for the first time ever. She seems to be crushing it, and it's about 4 to 6 inches and offshore, perfect waves.
What's your claim?
My claim is it's kind of fully nuclear out there. I'm gonna go out for a couple waves, stretch the legs, and get shacked. Yarn.
You have a claim?
My claim? I don't know, my claim. I'm the worst at the claims, so don't even, I can't even. It's so bad.
All right, what are you riding, Mac, the 8? Mac's on the 8, Mackie's on the 7, I'm on the fish, the 20. It's on. It's a little too deep.
Wow, look at this wave.
Oh, he blew it! Mac's up! He blew it! These guys are boobs!
Wave bandit. Wave bandit. Wave bandit. Wave bandit.
See this little section right here?
Yeah.
That's our vibe.
Alright.
I'm telling you. Look, see how this is peaking?
Yeah.
Picture you're on that, I'm taking off right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
very inside bowl. No way he's gonna hit it. He hit it. Yeah. Mackie Films back on the camera. Had to take it over.
All right, the session was mental. The mental was. We're out of here. Sesh was mental.
Mental. I got the best wave of my life.
And the best wave of the day award goes to Mackie Films.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I try my hardest every day. I put in the work every day, and this is what I like. This is what I always wanted, and I got it. I've accomplished it. Wave of the day.
Check you later, Kelly Slater. Alright, this is the last time that you'll see me.
Ow! You just ripped my hair.
Last time you'll see me in 2 weeks. How's it feel?
Sad, lonely, scared. It's weird that like I like never would be going away. This is like a once in a lifetime opportunity that's happening right now.
Mm-hmm.
I would be coming with you to Raceville. I'm fine. I'm sad.
All right, here we are, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We're headed down to Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, and we are boarding a plane on a runway. She said right there. There's the evidence.
Bye-bye, drone.
This is nuts. We're going.
Where are you going?
Good morning. Oh, thank you. Big claims. We made it to Wilmington, North Carolina. Stoke is real. I didn't even bring surfboards or a wetsuit. All I got is board shorts, so I hope the water's warm, and I hope the boys can hook us up with boards for the dream. Look at this. Look at this guy.
Got the freshies in the back. Dude.
What up?
What up?
9. I'm a 9 guy. I'm like C team, D team. Mac has like 2 10s already. The big boy.
You guys are gonna fucking...
Wait, why didn't you get one?
Because I drank one at 5.
Tripping out right now? Yeah, let's go, dude. What's the claim?
Fucking tough. Say I've liked this dude on so many videos, and now I've seen him in real life. What's up? Yeah.
Down to the beach. I just found out that it's actually illegal to surf here without a leash. So Not usually conditions I would put a leash on in, but shout out to Thomas Incan. And we're gonna go shred. Pretty something. There's some shredding waves. So it's on. Scout's not even psyched.
You psyched?
You psyched?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get psyched.
Ladies and gentlemen, people of Earth, we just got back from surfing. Actually, we didn't just get back from surfing, but we are back from surfing. Back at the hotel, we just had to go out and we were getting contestants checked in, hanging out, and a bunch of time passed since the surf session and I realized I didn't do an outro to the vlog. But thank you guys for all the stoke. If you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe down below. You can also leave us a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section below. Tomorrow is Foam Wreckers, Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. And we are having a ball. Already having fun in Wrightsville, so hope to see you guys there. And if not, I'll see you next vlog for the dream.